y'all remember that space telescope NASA spent $10 billion on? Well, it was worth every penny, and to prove it, I'm gonna show you my favorite images we got from it this year. Am I ruining the suspense by putting the best one first? Maybe, but I don't care because look at this! It's a star-forming region in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way, and it's also literally heaven. But looking a little further away from home, we have this, which shows thousands of galaxies, including one with the most distant black hole we've ever observed, and it's mind-blowing. Every single one of these tiny little pinpricks of light is a whole galaxy. That is absurd to think about. There is so much stuff in the universe. Speaking of galaxies, early in the year they released this collection of spirals, and you might notice that they don't look exactly how you picture a galaxy because a lot of the light is coming from dust. Sure, we're also seeing stars, especially in the bright central regions, but the dust and its unique structures really blows me away with these images. Speaking of dust, one of JWST's instruments allows us to actually look through the dust so we can see into star-forming regions like this one. This is a molecular cloud less than 1,000 light years away, and we use it to study star and planet formation, which can help us understand how our own solar system formed. On an adorable note, we have this one, a pair of interacting galaxies dubbed the penguin and the egg because it looks like a penguin and its egg. The penguin actually used to be a nice spiral, but the gravitational interaction with its companion caused it to get all distorted and weird and kind of look like a bird. But if interacting galaxies aren't really your thing, maybe this is. This is the Serpens Nebula. It contains a really young star cluster, only 100,000 years old. That is young in astronomy terms, and it's beautiful. And finally, perhaps my favorite of the whole year is this. In here, we've got a really densely packed star cluster surrounded by a big nebula, and in the background you can see all these tiny little specks that are galaxies. Not only is this beautiful, but it shows off just how much we can study with JWST, from star and planet formation to gas and dust structures to some of the most distant objects in the universe. We've only been getting science results from this telescope for 2.5 years, but it's pretty much revolutionized astronomy. We are learning so much all the time. And it's constantly reminding us how beautiful our universe is. I love it, and I cannot wait to see what we get from it in 2025.